It is winter, and if you're here for metalworking and stuff, which you probably are, stop watching now. But I promise the next video will have some metalworking in it. And now we get to witness the ceremonial dragging of the Model A Ford frame through the snow. This is a long-standing Canadian tradition to celebrate the start of the winter solstice. So unfortunately got the 35 put away for winter here. We got our winter grips on the old Malibu. And I got this 1950 Chevy that I'm working on. But it's just kind of a hack and slash type job, so just making it structurally sound. I'm not getting too fancy with any of it, so there's no point in filming that. Got this side pretty well welded up last night. Got the cab corner on, nothing too fancy there. Some floor stuff going on. I had to replace the bottom of this cowl, and it was this whole lip that the fender mounts to is gone, so I'm trying to preserve the patina on this. So I just welded the new piece onto this edge here, and then there's a little bit of rust at the bottom, so I just kind of did a little patch there and called it good. Also, all the spot welds are broken on this side, so we re-welded that. And yeah, and there's no sense in filming any of this. It's not really educational. And have a look at the other side here. Struck's actually not too bad, but the cab's pretty rotten on it, so you got your typical rust there. And side, the cowl's quite bad. We got this dent here from the door being overextended. So I have been making my own panels, but I may see if I can get one of these in stock locally and be lazy and just buy it, because, you know, there's not really any paint here to save by the time I get this all pulled out. And I just don't really care. So, but you can see, you open the door, he's a little loose. See, the entire pillar has actually broken away from the rest of the cab. So that'll be fun. And I know the focus here is metalwork, but if anyone's interested, I'm going to be trying to get this old 216 running. It's been sitting for over 40 years. So if you guys want to see cold start or whatever they call them, I know they're kind of been done to death by everyone, but if anybody wants to see this engine get fired up again or watch me fail, just let me know and I'll try to put something together for that. But I would like to do another metalworking video coming up here shortly. So, and it won't be on this truck because again, this is just hack and slash, nothing fancy here, so you don't really need to document any of that. Also, the Model A Roadster project from one of my earlier videos where I had repaired the cowl, well, I kind of put that one away, so probably won't be getting back to that one until January or February. I had to get the frame dug out for it today, but it's just there's other things that are kind of easier, and you know, I gotta keep the lights on here. So next video I do on that's probably going to be repairing these doors. So I've got three doors, I think 2 passenger and 1 driver. This one has no inner structure, so I'll probably just use that for patches. This one's actually not bad, needs the usual lower repair, and the inner's pretty haggard. And then this one's missing the bottom 4 inches, so or 2 inches or 3 inches, or I guess we'll figure out how much got cut off when we fix it. And needs the inner work, so this one we'll probably just take the skin right off to repair it. But again, that's ways off, but probably try to film that because that might be interesting. And I got these doors here. They're really nice, but these are off my Roadster pickup and I lengthened them, so they unfortunately won't work, so they can sit here. Yeah, there's a quarter panel buried there. That's going to be the quarter panels are going to be a big job on this, so we'll stay tuned for that, I guess. Also got this old hubcap here that I fixed. If anybody is interested in seeing how I do stainless repair, maybe I'll put together a video on that too. I don't know. Again, I'm surprised that there's, 500 over 500 people that actually want to watch this type of stuff. So, let me know what you guys want to see or what you don't want to see.